Yeah. Welcome to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Rando Technology Company. So on today's episode, no time to waste. I want to show you how you can save and exchange dollar to cities and make daily profits. How you can save and exchange dollar to cities and make daily profits. Yeah, I know a lot of people don't know much about dollar arbitrage, and today's episode will help you know much about dollar arbitrage and how you can make money from city to dollar arbitrage. Yeah, so no time to waste. I will show you on my phone. So we'll jump straight to my phone and my phone screen, and I will show you how you can make your daily profits from saving and exchanging your dollars to cities. If you don't know anything about how to create dollar account, I have a video in my description. You can watch it. Yeah. So no time to wait. Join me on my phone screen and let me show you how you can save and exchange your dollars to cities and make daily profits. I'm out. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes. Please don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Bless up. Save and extra this to cities and make money. Yeah, so first of all, you open the app. The app is Eversend. I will leave the link in my description so you can download the app. And if you want to know much about Eversend, how you can create accounts in Ghana, I've already done a video to it, and I will leave the link in my description so you can what download it. Yeah. So first of all, you log into your Eversend account. Then you enter your PIN. Yeah. So this is how your Eversend account looks like, and I want to show you how you can make money by saving and exchange. Yeah. So this is how your account looks like. Yeah. So I want to show you how you can save money and exchange your dollars to cities and make profit. You see that I've been withdrawing a lot. Yeah, I've been making a lot of stays. I've been withdrawing 1,000 plus. You see, yeah. So I want to show you how you can do this. Yeah. So first of all, do you know how you will do it? First of all, you will load your account with your mobile money. Yeah. So you will click on the load and load it mobile money. But I'm not ready to trade right now, so I will not load. So you load, let's say 100 cedis. Then you click on exchange. So right now, Ghana to USD. Then you click here. Right now it's Ghana to Kenyan shilling, but I want to USD. Yeah. So right now, Ghana to USD, the rate is 13.35. That means if you have one USD, it's equal to 13.35. So let's assume right now I want to exchange 100 cedis. So next is I will get 7.449. I'll get 7.49. Yeah. So right now I have 7.49 in my USD. Let's assume I've exchanged the 100 cedis to the USD. So right now I have 7.49 in my what USD. Yeah. So we can wait for, let's say, 1 week or 2 weeks, and the rate will increase to, let's say, 14 cities. 1 USD equal to 14 cities. So this is how you will do it. You click on the right now. Let's assume we have 7.49 in our USD account. So you click on you're gonna see this and exchange it. Watch how I'm doing. Then you click on the sub to USD. So right now, let's assume we have let's assume we have 7.49 7.49. Yeah, so 7.49 is equal to what? 91.22 right now. So let's assume we can wait, and let's assume the USD will increase, and one USD to Ghana cedis, when you're converted from the USD to Ghana cedis, it can rise from 12.18 to, let's say, 14. Yeah, it can at times it can do that. So it can reach, let's say tomorrow or a week, it can rise from 12.18 to 14. So let's assume 12, 14. So let's assume how much you get. So you go to your calculator. So 7.49 times 14. So you have what, 104.8 say cities. So let's assume you converted thousand cities at that time. You will get, let's say, 70.49. Let's, yeah, you get 70.49. 70.49, 70.49. Then times 14. Then times 70. Now you get more than that. Let's go to our converter and say something. Let's go to our exchange. Yeah. I want to get everything straight. Yeah. So you can, like, when the you see the Ghana cedis to the dollar rate is low, you can exchange your Ghana cedis to dollars, and when it's rise small, then you convert or you exchange your dollars to Ghana cedis and you get profit. That's how we do it. Yeah, that's how we do it. And this one, you have to get Vim. If you don't have Vim, you cannot do it. And one thing about this is there's no risk. Like, you can exchange your money, you can wait for, let's say, months before you can do what, exchange it. Like, it will not expire, it will be on in your account. Yeah, no one will withdraw your money here, it will be in your account, yeah, for life, unless you withdraw your own. Yeah. So I want to exchange 1,000 cedis, and you will see how much you will get when the dollar rise up or when dollar increased. So let's assume I want to exchange here. Let's go to exchange. Yeah, so if we are exchanging thousand to USD, thousand Ghana cedis to USD. Yeah, so thousand to USD is 74.88. Yeah, 74.88. So 74.88 times 14. 74.88 times 14. So 74.88 times 14. So you get 1,480.34. That means you have 48 cedis profits on it. You see how it is done? Yeah. So you can start doing this. You can save in dollars, and when the dollars rise up, then you exchange your dollars to cedis and you make profits. If you don't understand anything, you can chat me and we will talk. Thank you for watching me. The name remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes and I'm out.